So here's what we have done to get water from our pond. Which is about 150 feet away from our garden. We purchased a submersible pump, utility pump. Model number is 91250 from Superior Pump off of Amazon. It comes with the fitting for a hose. Make sure no matter what pump you get that it has the ability to attach the hose to it. I use a milk crate, and inside the milk crate I have some rocks to get the pump off of the bottom. Pump's in action. It takes about 30 seconds or so for the pump to get the water from the pond to the garden. So the flow is pretty decent for how far of a distance it has to pump the water up. We don't have a ton of height, but we do have quite a decent amount of run at 150 feet. But it's enough for us to use our hand to get the spray that we want. We tried using a nozzle on this, and there's just not enough pressure to be able to put a garden nozzle with the different sprays on it. So it takes about a half hour or so, or to 45 minutes for my wife to water the entire garden. And keeping in mind too, this may differ from your garden, we're using a modified root stout method of gardening, no-till gardening. So we have heavy mulching here through grass clippings, which keep the water on the mounds versus getting evaporated. So if you didn't have this, you may have to spend more time watering, but still, it's unchlorinated water, which is a definite plus. And we come up here and water about twice a week or so, and the rest Mother Nature does. So it's very possible that if you have a water source and you can figure out a way to get the milk crate submerged into that type of, whether it be a creek or a spring or a pond, and you're not too far away, and the pond's not too much lower than where you're trying to get it to, that a very inexpensive pump and a generator powered up, you can have a garden like this. And we hope to expand to have double this size next year.